Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Starling Bank and its foreign currency accounts. Starling Bank offers both personal and business accounts in euros. These accounts allow you to hold, send, and receive euros. For a personal euro account, there's no monthly fee, and you can transfer between your GBP and euro accounts 24/7 with a 0.4% conversion fee. Business euro accounts have a £2 monthly fee and also a 0.4% conversion fee for currency exchange. Starling also offers a US dollar business account. This account is available to limited companies for a £5 monthly fee. It allows you to hold, send, and receive US dollars, and you can make payments via the ACH network. Like the Euro account, there is a 0.4% conversion fee when you transfer money between your GBP and USD accounts. It's important to note that Starling Bank is not currently accepting new applications for either personal or business Euro or US dollar accounts, but they state they will be available again soon. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.